have as well. It's the school holidays. Yay! We're going to make white crispy cakes. And we're going to make 12 of them.
The ingredients are Rice Krispies, 100 grams, some cooking dark chocolate, 150 grams, 100 grams of butter, 4 tablespoons of golden syrup, and then we've got mini eggs and marshmallows to decorate the nests.
And we're making 12 cupcakes. Putting it into the container. Now she's going to unmelt it to make Rice Krispy cakes.
The golden syrup, butter and chocolate were put into a jug and melted in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. And now we are going to add the melted chocolate, etc. into the puffed rice. Stirring it in.
Stirring it in.
Mixing it up.
I've never seen this before.
Pour the mixture into the
Bowl.
with rice
And mix
crisps.
it up and scrape it out.
Get more, get more, get more. Now we keep mixing.
That's it.
Until they're all
That's it. Turn it round. That's it. Stir away.
Oh, look at it.
Yes, if you turn it over a bit like this, hold my hand, there we are. Good girl. There.
I see.
Doesn't that- It's enough in-
Hi guys, the Rice Krispy cake is now dry. Looks very hard. Now it's decorated. Yeah? And yeah?
3 in there. Yes, go on then, do it how you like.
What are you decorating with, Tara?
Yes.
Rice Krispy cake.
Yes, but you're putting in marshmallow pieces and little mini eggs. That's it. Put 3 in each one. Okay.
Then I put an egg white.
That's it.
One.
Do you want me to turn it round for you?
That looks delicious. Oh, that Easter eggs and the marshmallows on top of the Rice Crisp cupcake. That is delicious.
Can you reach the ones at the back?
Thank you, Tara, for making it.
Now it's done. I can't wait to try it.
Yes, and Tara made this by herself following my instructions, and we were very careful with the microwave and heating up the chocolate and butter and golden syrup. And this is the end result, and it looks absolutely delicious. Thank you, Tara. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. Nice and crunchy too.
Yum.
Excellent. Oh, and very chocolatey.
Yum.
Oops.
For watching our video, please make cupcakes if you want to. Bye.
See you in another video, guys.